Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Haryana Nessa Sadin. My major is Mathematics Education, Tarbiyah and Teacher Training at Islamic University ANTASARI, Banjarmasin. So, we will study mathematics about derivation material. Before we start it, would be nice if we pray first. After praying, we just go into our material. Don't forget to listen carefully. Let's get started. Derivation of algebraic function. Derivation is also known as differential function derivative. Writing y equal fx is y equal dy over dx, or f accent x equal dfx over dx. For the derivative formula for the algebraic function, pay attention to the formula below. It is known that the fx function, for example, is ax to the power of n. A is a coefficient, x is a variable, and n is the power. The derivative of fx with respect to x is f accent x equal a n x to the power of n minus 1. So, the coefficient that we just multiplied by the power of the variable x is to the power of minus 1. To better understand, let's go straight to example 1. So, that's the formula earlier. Go to the first question. Find the derivation of the function fx equal to x to the power of 3. So, the answer is fx equals to x the power of 3, and then f accent x equal to multiply 3 x the power of 3 minus 1, so equals 6x the power of 2. Next, for example 2, find the derivation of the function fx equals minus 5x the power of 4. The answer is f accent x minus 5 multiplied 4 the power of 4 minus 1. So, the answer is minus the power of 3. Next, example 3. Find the derivation of the function gx equal 10x. So that we multiply g with the exponent of x. This is actually to the power of 1. So 10 is multiplied by 1 and the exponent is reduced by 1 to 0. We need to remember that the number to the power of 0 is equals 1. So 10 multiplied 1 equals 10. Next, example 4. Find the derivation of the function fx equals 5. So, here the function is in the form of a constant. There is no x variable, So the derivative of the function equals 0 because fx is 5. In other words, 5 has no x variable or can be written as x to the power of 0. Next, example 5. Find the derivation of the function fx equals 5x the power of 3 minus 10x the power of 1 plus 3x minus 9. The answer is fx equal 5x the power of 3 minus 10x the power of 1 plus 3x minus 9. So the derivation is f accent x equals 15x the power of 2 minus 12x plus 3. Next, example 6. Find the second derivation of the function fx 4x the power of 4 minus 2x the power of 3 plus 3x the power of 2 minus 6. To find the second derivation, we should find the first derivation before. So, f accent x or first derivation is 16x the power of 3 minus 6x the power of 2 plus 6x. And then we can find the second derivation. Fx equals 48x the power of 2 minus 12x plus 6. And the last one, example 7. Derivation y equal uv is y accent equal u accent v plus u v accent. Find the derivation of the function fx minus 2x the power of 3 multiplied minus 5x the power of 4. The answer is u equal minus 2x the power of 3. So u accent equal minus 6x the power of 2 and v equal 5x the power of 5. So v accent equal 25x the power of 4. And then f accent x equal u accent v plus uv accent. And then f accent x minus 6x the power of 2 multiplied 5x the power of 5 plus minus 2x the power of 3 multiplied minus 25x the power of 4. And then minus 30x the power of 7 plus minus 50 x to the power of 7, and the answer is minus 80 x to the power of 7. So many learning videos from me. Hopefully it will be useful and understandable. For all the shortcomings, I apologize. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.